Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we will be doing a complete analysis of USDJPY, taking into account both current market news and the technical indicators from the charts themselves. Recent news and Google searches point to a mixed outlook for the USDJPY. Some sources suggest a potential rise to 156.80, while others highlight the pair's presence in the intervention zone between 155.00 and 160.00. There are mentions of choppy price action and the pair holding critical support for now. Let's start our analysis with the daily chart. We can see a clear upward trend for the USDJPY over the past several weeks. The price has broken through several resistance levels, indicating strong bullish momentum. However, the recent price action shows some signs of consolidation. The volume is decreasing, which might suggest a potential pause or reversal in the trend. It is worth noting that the recent rise has been fairly steep, and we should prepare for the possibility of a short-term correction. Now let's move to the 1-hour chart to get a better understanding of the short-term price action. The 1-hour chart shows higher volatility compared to the daily chart. We can observe short-term support and resistance levels forming. Notice the recent price fluctuations and the formation of several higher lows. This could be a sign of a bullish flag, which is a continuation pattern, suggesting a further upward movement in the price. However, it's also important to pay attention to possible resistance levels. To refine our short-term outlook, let's examine the 15-minute chart for a granular view. On this time frame, we can identify precise support and resistance levels, and even pinpoint potential entry and exit points for your trading strategies. The 15-minute chart displays more detailed candlestick patterns. We observe numerous instances of bullish engulfing patterns during periods of increased buying pressure. While this is bullish, we must note that such small candle patterns are unreliable indicators on their own. Let's now zoom in on a specific range of candles on the 1-hour chart to analyze a notable price swing. We will focus on the period between specific timestamp and specific timestamp. Within this period, we can observe a clear example of a break above a resistance level followed by a slight pullback. Correlating this with the news, the price surge may be attributed to positive economic data released during the aforementioned period. Conversely, any negative news could have caused the subsequent price drop. In summary, the USDJPY shows a predominantly bullish trend in the long term, supported by recent price action. However, the short-term outlook is less certain, characterized by a possible consolidation phase or even a mild correction. Key price levels to watch are the support at approximately 152.00 and the resistance around 155.00. A break above 155.00 would reinforce the bullish outlook, increasing the probability of the price reaching 156.80. Conversely, a sustained break below 152.00 could trigger a more significant correction. Keep an eye on economic indicators and news related to both the US and Japanese economies. Significant announcements or data releases could trigger sudden price movements. Additionally, monitor volume changes, as a noticeable increase or decrease could signify shifts in market sentiment. Remember, this is just an analysis based on the available data. Trading involves risk, and you should always conduct your research before making any trading decisions.